my butterflies. I got them from those milkweed plants over there. As you can see the bite marks on them from the caterpillar. I found the caterpillars and I put them over here in this bucket, and they made their chrysalis. And that's milkweed inside it. And these are my butterflies. I got 2 of them. And then those are their empty chrysalis up there. That one I think is rotten.
What kind of butterflies are they?
Monarch.
Okay. And why didn't you just leave them out here? Because why?
Because animals could get them, though if the animals get them, the animals would die because these are poisonous to animals if they eat them.
Oh, and then your butterflies wouldn't be able to lay more eggs and make more monarchs, right?
Mhm.
So why do you have milkweed?
Because I wanted to do the butterfly life cycle.
Oh, okay. Okay. Do you want to let your butterflies go so they can...
Yep. Butterflies. There goes one.
Oh, wow, sure did. He took right off.
The best way to hold a butterfly is by its wings like this. So I'm going to put it on the milkweed plant and see what it does. Actually, let's do that one over there because it has more flowers. Ooh.
Oh, he decided he was going to fly away too.
I'll go find the other one.
Okay. Do you want to talk about the ones we have over here? Okay, here. Let me take this off for you. Do you want to lift this up carefully? And then I can get a good picture of the chrysalises for you.
I started out with 8 caterpillars, and I guess while I was gone, the one over here next, right, like that one separate, the one that's sort of blue.
Yeah.
That was the first one that got made, and then all the other ones, like those 2 right there, that one's sort of brownish black. That means he's gonna come out. Like it's gonna get blacker, and then it's gonna come out.
Cool. And what about these guys here?
Oh, those guys?
Hold on, let me pull them out so that we can.
Now the 2.
Now tell us what's interesting about this guy right here that I'm showing on the camera in the middle.
Well, the thing is, he's not a monarch.
He's not a monarch.
Nope.
Now, what's this?
That's a monarch.
That's a monarch.
And the other one's
so these 2 here are not monarchs, but they're milkweed butterflies, right?
Yeah.
And do you remember what kind of butterflies you found out they were called?
No.
They were plain something. Do you remember?
Plain swallowtail?
Plain tiger butterflies?
Yeah.
And what's interesting about those? Where are those from?
Africa.
Africa. They're not even supposed to be here, are they?
No.
So somehow or another, we got African butterflies over here, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And because they're milkweed butterflies, they came and laid eggs on your milkweed, right?
Mhm.
Pretty interesting, I think.
So now the chrysalis almost look the same as these ones, except for that they have lines on them. Though they look the same, though they just look like they have bands on them.
So when these guys make chrysalis, we'll have to take pictures of those too, huh?
Mhm.
And does a butterfly resemble a monarch?
No.
No?
Butterfly.
But does it look anything like it? Is there any part of it that's the same?
A little, the wings, and the color of the wings, and the colors on it, and so the only part that's different is that it has orange and it doesn't have any stripes on the top.
Huh.
It just has like a light dot.
So now tell me, by you taking these butterflies and putting them in a bucket and letting the caterpillars spin their chrysalises, what's the biggest thing that you kept from getting these caterpillars? What is the caterpillar's biggest worry as a caterpillar to eat them? You already said that they're poisonous to animals, but what can eat them?
I'd say mud daubers.
Mud daubers. And what do mud daubers do?
They take them and they grab them and they take them up to their nest, and then they lay their egg on the caterpillar, and the baby mud dauber feeds on the caterpillar.
Hmm. So by doing that, you managed to save these guys so the mud daubers wouldn't get them, and then now they can do what?
It can turn into a butterfly.
And then what?
And then lay more eggs.
And make more butterflies, huh?
Yeah, if it's a female.
So you're like a butterfly conservationist, huh? Is that what you are?
Mhm. That one has a little water drop on him.
Yeah? Okay. Would you like to tell everybody your name and how old you are?
Mhm.
Go ahead. Come on.
No, you're supposed to say it.
Just tell them your first name and how old you are.
Chiara, and I'm 7.
Okay. Anything else, or is that it?
That's it.
Okay.